You're showing up on Google, maybe even the top 3. You've got the profile, you've got the reviews, but your phone, dead silent. Let me explain why, because this is what most business owners get completely wrong. Stick with me, this is where ranking without results usually starts to make some sense. Part 1, visibility isn't enough. Trust is what converts. Google might be showing you, but if your profile, website, and brand don't build trust, customers won't choose you. Here's what actually happens. Someone sees you in the map pack, right? They click, and from that moment on, they're judging everything. They look at your reviews. Are they specific, recent, helpful? Your photos, are they real or just logos and stock shots? Your description, does it actually say what you do and where? Feels half-baked or lifeless, they bounce. You had the visibility, but no trust. Part 2, Google and customers are crawling your entire presence. And if it doesn't stop with your profile, they're clicking your website, they're checking your Instagram. They want to see if you're an actual business in business. And if they see a slower, confusing website with no service areas, an Instagram that hasn't been posted in 6 months, a Facebook with 3 likes and old flyers, they're gone. Your entire digital footprint needs to say, I'm real, I'm active, and I'm the best local choice. And if it doesn't, people hesitate, and hesitation kills conversions. So drop a comment if you've ever checked out a business and backed out because it didn't feel right. If it doesn't, people hesitate, and hesitation kills conversions. Part 3, show the work, not just the logo. This is where most service businesses are leaving money on the table. They're hiding behind the camera. Real talk, I get it. You don't want to post. You're busy. But if your content is just logos, quotes, or call us today graphics, you're blending in, not standing out. Customers want to see you doing the work. What you fixed, before and after with context. You explaining the job and what went wrong. You showing up, solving problems, and being human. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real. You don't need a ring light in a studio. You need your phone and the guts to hit record. Post your process. Talk to the camera. Build that connection. And part 4, even Google wants real content. And don't think Google isn't watching. Those over-branded Canva graphics with walls of text, Google sees that as spammy. Post real stuff instead. Photos of your crew, your gear, your trucks, job sites, materials, installs. Answer a question your customer asked this week. Show your face once in a while. It does make a difference. And if your customer leaves a great review with a photo of the finished job, even better. That's SEO gold. Bottom line, it's not just about ranking, it's about being chosen. Ranking is just step 1. Being trusted, that's where growth happens. Your whole brand needs to tell one single story. I'm the best choice in this area, and I can prove it. And if you don't know what Google or your potential customers are actually seeing, that's where I can help. Comment site, and I'll send you my website trust checklist. It walks you through how to align your profile, your website, your content, and your reviews so you're not just visible, but convertible. And if you're ready for me to personally break it all down, comment audit if you want me to do a personalized video plus strategy of what Google sees about your business presence. And follow for more content that actually teaches you how to grow, not just get seen.